Well, fishers, we've got some really hot reports for you this week. Been a little bit cool through the week. I thought the natives would go off a bit. In some places they did, but got some incredible reports from Dartmouth Dam. A lot of trout getting caught there. It's been fantastic fishing. Most blokes are bagging out. Almost everybody's bagging out up there at the moment. Forward fenders of cowbells and worms with a very slow troll seems to be doing a real good job. If you want to, you can put 2 or 3 colours of lead line on and get down a little bit deeper through the middle of the day, and you'll continue to pick them up through the day. But early morning, late afternoon, they're getting their bag limits anyway. So please yourself, you're going to get plenty of fish down there. Vic streams have been a bit slow, a bit disappointed in that. Reports from a while have been dead. There's a bit of comp there at the moment. Hugh Weir, been quite good. A few yellows coming out of that. There's a big comp down there this weekend. If you weren't going to fish the comp, I probably wouldn't bother going down there. There's going to be too many boats on the water. But, you know, it's worth a shot because they're getting a few yellows and that out of it, so it's not too bad. Murrumbidgee River, Old Man Creek, kicking along very well. Very pleased with that scenario at the moment. There's a lot of fish getting caught there. Flicking lures around for yellows and cod. Obviously it's close season for cod, and if you catch one you must release it, but the yellows are there big enough numbers to justify putting in a lot of time, so it's certainly worth the effort. A bit of activity on bait, but the lure fishing seems to be a treat at the moment. The river's very clear and high and easy to fish. Blowering Dam is another hot spot, but it's very difficult to fish simply because the yellows are still a little bit on the shy side, but they are catching some good quality fish out of there. Burrinjuck couldn't get a better last weekend, absolutely phenomenal. 90% of people have fished a caught fish. There was a few that didn't, but a lot of people did. Baits seem to be the go, shrimp, yabbies, that sort of thing. Lure fishermen struggled a little bit, to be honest with you, but it's still running pretty hot there. A little bit more warm water and it'll crack, I can assure you of that. Getting some pretty respectable reports from up in the mountains isn't too bad, and the coastal fishing in the estuaries is good. The offshore scene's very quiet. That's complete Angler's report for this week. Catch you next week.